special delivery.
Okay guys, back at it again. This is a repair of an amplifier that was bought brand new or new brand, whichever way, and it never plays. Never pour it on, nothing comes on, it doesn't turn on. And this is the XLI 800 Crown. Yeah, Crown XLI 800. Alright, so show you the back here of it. This is what it looked like. Really powerful amplifier today. This thing is so heavy. I think this thing weighs like 50 pounds, if not more. I don't know. Well, I'm going to take it apart and see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. Okay guys. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, I think it's the thyroid transformer. Yeah, this amplifier, you know, you have to have a really powerful transformer to do the wattage they want it to do, because this is a Crown, and you know the Crown, they don't normally make foolishness. So. Should I turn it this way? Let's do it like this, guys. Gotta get that up. Alright, that looks good. One more. Oh wow, this guy was, there's one right here. And that's where it goes. Here it goes. Cover is off. So let's see here now. So wow, what does this look like? Oh, that's some glue. These on, so check around guys for these stuff sometimes don't plug on. I got loose on shipping and stuff like that, because this amplifier didn't. Yeah. As I told you guys, look at this. Oh my words. I wonder if this is a problem. I should think so, guys. This can't be that easy fix. But I told some stuff like that happen, guys. The transformer. Oh, guys, look what happened. This wire here, this wire right here, plugs on to the, let me see. Let me give it a test right here and see. So one of the turn, alright, that connected to, see guys, it connected to one of the input from the AC input. So this wire that goes to the, and this one should be the, this is C1. Wow. So they tie strap it guys here with the tie strap, and I think when they plug it on first, then they tie it, and then it get loose and nobody noticed. So what I'm going to do, this was like, oh, this, wow, thought this one was gonna be a hard one, guys, but this one was like under 5 minutes. All right, as you could see, yeah, this one, if I move here, I have to move this one right here too, guys. So the wire for the transformer wasn't. Oh my words, this is so easy. I wish your amplifier was like that. So you could see, guys, right? down in that area there. I don't think you guys gonna see that good, but from what I'm telling you guys, yeah, this didn't connect. Oh my words! Can you imagine if this is the only problem? I'm still I'm still not sure, guys. This kind of to be like easy because I was like, you know, the amplifier come in a box. You could see that it never opened. They never opened the amplifier, but you know. Alright, the breaker didn't chip, nothing like that. So guys, let's see if this fixes the problem. It wasn't turning on, nothing like that. So let's see. Forward. You guys could see everything come with it. The book and the cover for it, it come in the foam stuff. So, come in the foam. Original package. Alright, so I plugged it in, so let's see if I see power here. Oh my words, look at that, guys. Look at that. I got power. Oh my words. This was an easy repair. Oh my words. Thank you, Jesus. Let me. What was that? Come on. I hate to use this phone. I didn't remember this phone was plugged to this stuff here, guys. Sorry about that. Let me get you guys some audio. Right. You guys can hear in the background my daughter's giving my wife a lot of trouble in there, so you know how it goes. She have them on the weekend, so yeah, I have them for the whole week, so she can get used to it. Well, man, I still can't believe it, guys. This thing is alright. So let me put it here so you guys can see that. Turn all the knobs down. This distant speaker here and put it right here. Right. Maybe like that so you guys can see. Let me see. Guys, put some audio to it now and see. Oh, really? They did that? They covered it. Oh, okay. That's where that little thing come from. It was a piece of plastic. I see a red plastic on the table earlier. I don't know where it was from, but it's from one of these terminals back here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Can you imagine? Let's see, guys, explain. To the next side now. This is so cool. Sorry if anybody was disappointed. You wanna see a real repair, you know? But end up seeing this. But this is a repair anyway, guys. Because a lot of amplifiers, you get them new and stuff like that, guys. You could just open it for a while and check the wiring. That's normally happen. I get these a lot when I was back in Jamaica, you know, from company, you know, you call it factory fault, you know. Fans in the back here, guys, are working. So I'm gonna take out the bridge now and see. This should be the two. I'll move this one. Could be bread right there. Let me try some here. Guys, that's it. So I don't want to get copyright for this, so let's leave it right there and look at that. That's what you call a successful repair, guys. Very successful repair. That one went well. Ding ding ding. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm so happy everything went up with this one, right? You know, guys, yeah, this was such an easy one. Yeah, it's such an easy fix. Yes, guys, so I wouldn't bother even go mess with this. I would have to tell you, I did want to tell you the guys the most with that this is uses, but yeah, but this is a fairly new, brand new brand. So where you guys wanna put it? Yeah, man, it's brand new. It's new brand. It's a new brand shoe. So, you know, it's a brand new amplifier. Yeah. I'm gonna share the news with my wife. Oh my goodness. I haven't want to have one like this, guys, in a long time. Amplifier with this problem come in the shop since I left Jamaica. Never. But now, look at that. See, guys? I'm gonna do one, put a tie strap on it, this one, but I'm not gonna do it like they did. And that's it for now. That's really, guys, everything is okay. That's it. Oh, the Krone XLI 800, guys, that's it. So a successful repair, as you guys can see. Yep. So on this side, they carry the switch for bridge, polarity, what it says? This says polarity, parallel, yeah, parallel. If you want to connect in parallel, yeah, bridge parallel stereo. And this one says 1.4 volts. This is 0.775 volts sensitivity. This, yeah, so that's it, guys. This is the input, and you know, other input here for the XLR, and this is here, and this is what I was talking about, guys. This little red thing here goes inside of here for some reason. Now that's it for this repair, guys. Everything is okay with this amplifier right now, so that was a good one. So wire got loose, guys, so always check when you buy a car amplifier. You won't find that, like, yeah, but you'll find issue like that definitely sometimes if it have circuit that plugs on and stuff like that. Board, I got stumped with like a car amplifier with board that those boards they have, they plug onto the circuit, yeah, I have them misplaced. One of them is that, you know, but you know, this was a successful one, guys, and thank you guys for watching. CNC Electronics out for now on, guys. Please ask me any question you like whenever you're ready, and I answer as best as I can when I can, guys, because I'm off today and I still have to have stuff going to do around the house after this. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one, guys. Right, so yep, this is the XLI 800. See you guys. Alright, I'm out.
Special delivery.